In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Adobe Media Encoder free on PC and Mac. To get started, simply download Adobe Media Encoder from Adobe's official website. You can try it for free with their trial option if you're new to Adobe. Once installed, open the program and drag your video files into the queue or click the plus button to browse for them. You'll see various settings that let you adjust the compression, such as pre-configured presets for different platforms like YouTube or social media, which are optimized for smaller file sizes while maintaining visual quality. For more control, you can fine-tune the bitrate or adjust the resolution if needed. When you're ready, click Start Queue, and Media Encoder will process the video efficiently, even with large files. The final compressed video will be saved in the specified location, ready to upload or share. Adobe Media Encoder also integrates seamlessly with other Adobe tools like Premiere Pro and After Effects, allowing you to send projects directly for compression, streamlining your workflow. Whether you're compressing videos for social media, client delivery, or archiving, this tool is an invaluable asset. And that was it. Subscribe, it's free.